Good morning. I'm super excited to share with you the most recent AirDNA data that just came out about the Pocono Mountains. Now, I know a lot of people have been concerned with what's going on in the market. A lot of people think that it's oversaturated. A lot of people think that there is an opportunity, but there is opportunity. I had a great conversation. I sat down with the president and the chief marketing officer of the Pocono Visitor Bureau yesterday, and they have all the data. They have more data on short-term rentals in the Poconos than anyone that I know, and they have a unique relationship with AirDNA to show them the data. So here we go. This is for 2023, and you can see that occupancy is down about 2%. Now in 2022, it was 66.3%, which in January is pretty good. In April, and it's down overall. It's down 2%. That's to be expected because we are not at those COVID and year post-COVID numbers anymore. We're getting back to a more normalized market. So occupancy down 2%, but it's still at 53%. So if you're analyzing deals, you can essentially, and these are the numbers, I always say to people, don't analyze deals based off 2022 numbers because they were inflated. So this is 2023, and you can see for the first 4 months, we're at about 53%, which is very, very good. Now we move on to the average daily rate. It actually went up 3%. Surprisingly, it went up 3%. I was under the assumption that it was going to go down. So now we're at about 250, and that's another great number to base your analyzation off of. So if you're looking at a property, you can bet that it's probably around 53% occupancy. Now, obviously, we need to have the full amount of data for the year to get a general understanding of what it's going to look like, and can't predict future right now. I know there are a ton of future bookings, but this is what we have so far for the first 4 months. When I had this conversation yesterday with the Pocono Mountain Visitor Bureau, they were saying that we're looking at about 45-ish% for the year. That was just a guesstimate for them for occupancy. So that's a good number to base your analyzation off. Then we have the revenue per available room. That didn't do much. No increase, $132.96. Now, this is very interesting to me also. I did not know this, but in the Poconos, the short-term rentals have surpassed the largest revenue generator in that area, which has always been Kalahari Water Park. They have generated the most amount of tax revenue for the Pocono Mountains for years. Now, short-term rentals have taken that over, and you can see the revenue has increased 3%, $98 million. $98 million. So I was told that the revenue generates about close to $4 billion a year now. So that's pretty significant. Now, I say that because when people talk to me and they say that they're concerned that short-term rentals are going to go away completely in the Poconos, they can't. In my opinion, this is just my personal opinion, that why would these townships and HOAs cut off this leg of their revenue? It makes absolutely no sense, right? So as you can see, short-term rentals, $98 million in 4 months. That's pretty substantial. And then here's the two last numbers that I want to go over: supply and demand. Supply has gone up 3%, and the demand is also up 1%. Now, again, when I was talking with these gentlemen yesterday, they told me that they still believe that there is not enough supply for the demand for the Poconos. And I'm talking all 4 counties now: Carbon, Monroe, Wayne, and Pike. A lot of times when people contact me, they're generally looking in Carbon or Monroe, which are generally the hottest areas, but you also have Pike County and you also have Wayne County, and they have good rentals there as well. So that's something to consider when you're thinking about buying in the Poconos. So hope this information helps. If you want to learn more about investing in the Poconos and short-term rentals, always feel free to reach out. The easiest way click the link below, schedule a Calendly invite with me, and we can chat. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Have a great day.